So guys, today we will talk about the rarest birds of India and its subcontinent. So let's get started.
Our number one is Great Indian Bustard. It's a large, long-necked, long-legged bird, in which male has a black crown, short crest, sandy buff upper body, finely marked back, white neck and underparts, black band on lower breast, and a well-developed gular pouch. Males are about 120 cm and females about 92 cm, and its voice is call aloud wank, often audible for over a mile. Its range is resident on a local migrant, distant areas of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, numbers and eastern wild range much reduced today. And its habitat is open grassland and scrubs and also semi-deserts. It is the state bird of Rajasthan. Next is Spoonbill Sandpiper. It is a sparrow-sized wadder with unique spoon-shaped bill. Non-breeding adult has pale brown-grey underparts with edge of feathers and white underparts. Its size is about 15 cm and its voice call includes a series of short zri, zri, zri. And its range is rare winter visitor to coastal Bangladesh and West Bengal. And its habitat is usually found in small numbers among stint flocks at water's edge or in wettest parts of mudflats. Next is Bengal Florican. It is a very reclusive bird known for courtship display where male shows off black and white plumage in aerial displays. It's overall black with white wings and conspicuous in flight. Its size is about 66 cm and its voice is clicking sound in display and when flushed. It is globally threatened and its breeding resident is now restricted to few sites in the Terai and Assam, and its habitat is wet grasslands. It is a large darkish grey long-necked heron with white throat, belly and vent. It is shy and rarely seen. It forages alone or in small groups. It feeds mainly during day on fish, frogs and reptiles. Size is about 127 cm and its voice is call aloud croaking bray. And its range is small pockets in Bhutan, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and exceedingly rare and little known, seldomly seen. And its habitat is undisturbed forested streams, rivers and marshes. Next is Nagaland Hornbill. It is a largish hornbill with green glossed black body and a white tail. It is the only hornbill occurring on the Nagaland Islands. Male has a roughhouse head and neck, yellowish white bill with crimson at base. Female has a all black head and neck and iris dark olive brown rather than reddish as in male. Its size is about 50 cm and its voice is called a cackling ka 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 ka. And its range is resident endemic to Nagaland Island and Andaman Islands, and its habitat is mature forests. So that's it for today guys. Please like this video and subscribe my channel and also give your opinion in the comment box. Meet you in another video. Bye.